Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to send your crypto from Uphold to your Phantom wallet, here is how you can do it. So first of all, you need to open your Phantom wallet app. Then on the home page you need to tap on Solana. After that you need to tap on the receive option here and copy this address from your Phantom wallet. Then you need to open your Uphold application and go to your portfolio. Then select the crypto that you want to send, which in our case is Solana. So after that you just have to simply tap on the transact option and choose send to crypto wallet. Then you need to paste the address that we have just copied from our Phantom wallet, and then you need to simply press continue in the bottom. Now on the next page, once you are reviewing your details, you need to make sure that the network matches and it is the Solana network, and in both the applications it is Solana network. So you just have to simply do that and enter the amount of Solana that you want to transfer from your Uphold account to your Phantom wallet. Then you need to simply just review the details carefully and confirm the transaction. Once the transaction is completed from Uphold, you just have to come back in your Phantom wallet and wait for approximately 2 minutes until the funds appear in your Phantom wallet. If you want to view the transaction history, tap on this clock icon. It will be the fourth tab, and here you will see all of your recent transaction histories, and here you will also be able to see in how many time you are going to receive that money from your Uphold account. Most of the time it is going to take you 2 to 3 minutes, so you just have to wait for that time. If this video helped you out, drop a super thanks and subscribe for more quick crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching.